Let's say I have a path and I want to extract part of it. So for example, let's run pwd, and I'm going to go ahead and extract the third part of this path. In this case, it's going to be POC. I can use the cut command for this. I'm going to pass pwd into cut. I'm going to specify the delimiter to be the slash, so it'll be the slash of the path. And I'm going to specify that I want to use the fourth field. Why 4 and not 3? Because the first field is actually what's before the first slash. So you're going to be 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 is going to land exactly where I want to be. And when I'm going to run this, you can see that it works nicely. Let's say I also want to extract the second field. I'm going to pass comma 2. I'm going to get the second field as well. And now I want to change the actual delimiter between the fields. So I'm going to pass minus minus output dash delimiter. And let's say the new delimiter is going to be dash. You can see it changed it nicely right over here. Let's say I want to go ahead and substitute home with something else. So I'm going to pass pwd into sed. And I'm going to pass a command into sed. So I'm going to say substitute slash and then home. When you see home, replace it with another word. Syntax is kind of similar to the substitute command of Vim. As you can see, we get the same path, but with home replaced with a different word. Let's take another cool example of sed. So I have this file right over here that has 3 lines. And I'm going to use sed to delete the second line. So we're going to be left with the first line and the third line. So I'm going to pass this file into sed. I'm going to start with the command. So the command will be delete the second line, 2d. And I'm going to pass the file. And you can see that now we're left only with the first line and the third line. Last command we're going to look at is wc. Wc is actually short for word count, but it has more features. It can also count new lines or the actual characters on the file. So let's use, for example, our example file here. We have 3 lines here, so I'm going to use wc to count this. wc minus l for lines. Then I'm going to pass example. You can see that we have 3 lines on the file. I can also count the number of words, which will be 6 in this case. Subscribe for more Linux videos, and thanks for watching.